What is organic? Organic means relating to yielding or involving the use of food produced with the use of feed or fertilizer of plant or animal. Organ without employment of chemically formulated fertilizers, growth stimulants, antibiotics or pesticides. What things are organic? Organic matters, organic food, organic sweeteners, organic seeds, organic nuts, organic manure. Organic food. Fresh or processed food produced by organic farming methods. Organic food is grown without the use of synthetic chemicals such as human-made pesticides and fertilizers and does not contain genetically modified organisms. Organic sweeteners. Reducing your intake of refined sugar can be tough, but given how incredibly harmful sugar can be, it's definitely worth the effort. Fortunately, quite a few sweeteners found in nature are actually healthy. They are low in calories, low in fructose, and tasty very sweet. Organic seeds. Organic seed is seed that is produced by organic gardening or farming methods. These are the same producers used to produce organic food. In order to be the certified organic, they must be produced by a certified organic operation. Organic manure. Organic manures are natural products used by farmers to provide plant nutrients for the crop plants. There are a number of organic manures like farmyard manure, green manure, compost prepared from crop reduced and other farm wastes, vermicompost, oil cakes and biological wastes, animal bones, slaughterhouse refuse. Organic banks in other countries. Most use organic countries: Australia, Thailand, India. Australia. Australia is one of the countries with the highest percentage of organic farms in the EU. Organic farming is seen as very important in Australia. In 2011 alone, the Australian government paid €168 million to organic farmers. Thailand. In 2005, the Thai government launched its National Agenda Organic Agriculture, a 5-year program aimed at supporting over 4 million farmers to use organic inputs instead of agrochemicals. It also aimed to reduce the total import of agrochemicals by 50%, as well as boost organic export by 100% annually. India. In 2015, the Parambagat Krishi Bikash Yojana was launched to supporting organic agriculture with a budget of around €41 million. The same is a proactive initiative of the Indian federal government and a component of the Soil Health Management Scheme, which is the part of the major project National Mission of Sustainable Agriculture. Advantages and disadvantages of organic. Advantages of organic. Organic food is an environmentally friendly method of production. Organic food are often chosen because people are trying to avoid artificial chemicals. Disadvantages of organic: more expensive, doesn't last longer, not widely available, takes a lot of work, doesn't live up to the hype. Author bio. There are some disadvantages of organic, but it is best. It has no bad effect. It is best for our health and environment. We have to use organic.